Now we'll see how to subtract the two vectors. But how? How can we subtract the two vectors? Very easy. How can we do that? First we'll find the vectors of a and b. That is +1, +2. They are going from this direction in the positive x direction. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need to take this position. So +5. So column vector for a will be +2 and +5. Right now here it is going from b to this position. B is going from this position to this position. So it is 1, 2, and 3, and then +2. So +2 and +3. So but because it is minus here, so I'll write minus b is equals to minus of -3, sorry, +3 and +2. But children, whenever there is a negative sign here, what we do? We multiply the negative sign with both the numbers. So it will be -3 and -2. Right? So we got the column vector for a and -b. Now we need to subtract them. So a minus b will be what? The values will be 2 and 5 as it is. Then subtract. Then the value of vector b. Vector b will be -2, -3, and -2. Right, children? So if you subtract these two, that will be 2. Then minus will become plus. So +3 and 5 minus will become 2. So that is 5 + 2. So that will give you answer as 5 and 7. So the value of a minus b will be 5 and 7. Now you can check this how the answer is 5 and 7 by seeing the graph. Now how? Let's see. If I erase this point here, and now you can actually see that is your answer correct or not if your graph is given. So it is the point here. A is starting from this point. Now it is shifting 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So +5, you got +5, correct? Now it is going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That is +7. So is it correct? Yes, of course. So this is your answer. That is how to subtract the two vectors.